How to download privacy checkup on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download privacy checkup on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the three lines in top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down until you find download your information. Click on it and then click select all, deselect all, and now all you need to do is just go down until you find this one, privacy checkup. Click on it and then click create file and wait, and file will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and see you in the next video.